Buongiorno a tutti! Welcome back to my little kitchen in Lecce in the south of Italy. My name is Francesco and today I'm going to teach you how to make a fabulous Sicilian pasta dish. I may have a British accent, but I'm actually Sicilian. I was just born in England. But that leaves me with a craving for Sicilian food most of the time. It's my favourite cuisine. I'm going to teach you how to make pasta cavolfiore, pasta with cauliflower. I'll show you how to make the crispy breadcrumbs the way we make them in Palermo, with anchovy, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of parsley, and then it becomes unusual. We add a pinch of sugar, some pine nuts and raisins. I'm going to replace the pine nuts today with pistachio, which is another well-loved Sicilian ingredient, just to give it a little twist of my own. I'll add a bit of chili for some heat, and yeah, you're going to love this. If you've ever had it in Sicily, you know what I'm talking about. If you haven't, you should try it now. Let me show you how to make it. Let's cook. For today's recipe, you're going to need cauliflower, breadcrumbs, Parmesan cheese, pistachios, raisins, anchovies, onion, chili, and parsley.